Welcome to Destined Beyond Belief, a gentle space where your spirit heals and your future grows. Today, we're focusing on I Am Affirmations to help you rebuild financial abundance after divorce. Find a comfortable seat, breathe deeply, and allow these words to steady and uplift you as you step into a renewed sense of financial freedom. When you're ready, repeat each affirmation silently or aloud and let their truth settle into your heart. Now, let's begin. I am rebuilding my financial foundation with grace. I am open to new streams of income. I am worthy of stable and growing wealth. I am confident in my ability to create financial security. I am attracting opportunities that support my prosperity. I am grateful for the financial resources coming to me. I am creating a budget that honors my needs and dreams. I am skilled at managing my money with wisdom. I am deserving of abundance as I move forward. I am welcoming new beliefs that support my abundance. I am capable of making smart and empowered financial choices. I am attracting clients, customers, and opportunities that pay well. I am rebuilding my credit and financial reputation with integrity. I am guided toward investments that serve my future. I am patient and persistent in creating lasting wealth. I am open to learning new ways to increase my income. I am empowered to negotiate finances that honor my worth. I am creating multiple sources of steady income. I am focused on rebuilding my financial independence. I am attracting mentors and resources that uplift my finances. I am confident in my ability to provide for myself and my family. I am embracing financial courage and calm. I am aligned with abundance in all areas of my life. I am careful and compassionate with my financial decisions. I am worthy of comfort, security, and financial ease. I am welcoming abundant possibilities into my life. I am attracting opportunities that match my talents. I am capable of paying my bills and saving for my dreams. I am building a strong emergency fund with steady action. I am open to receiving unexpected financial blessings. I am creating a life that reflects my financial goals. I am committed to consistent financial growth each day. I am celebrating every step of my financial progress. I am attracting the right partners to support my financial vision. I am resourceful and creative in generating income. I am aligned with the energy of abundance and possibility. I am worthy of a joyful and prosperous future. I am making choices that increase my financial freedom. I am disciplined and organized with my financial affairs. I am grateful for lessons that strengthen my financial wisdom. I am manifesting steady income that meets my needs. I am financially renewed and open to new beginnings. I am trusting the process of rebuilding my wealth. I am capable of turning challenges into financial opportunities. I am attracting love and support that enhances my prosperity. I am confident in my financial intuition and decisions. I am creating a legacy of stability and abundance. I am free to design a prosperous life that fulfills me. I am abundant, resilient, and financially empowered. Take a final deep breath and feel these truths settling into your heart. Thank you for joining us. If these affirmations inspired you, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with someone who is rebuilding their life, and leave a comment with your favorite affirmation. Thank you for the time taken to be here with us. Until next time, keep believing in the abundance that is unfolding for you.